Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a detailed look at this 4-pack of the LED floodlights. So let's get them opened up and I'll show you what it comes with and tell you all about them. So as soon as you open the box, you've got your remotes right on top, and there are 4 remotes for each of the lights. And they are large and they have loads of color options. That is so exciting. I cannot wait to use these for holidays, for parties, or just for everyday lighting around my home. You've got your lights here all together. You've got a little user guide. So here's how the light looks. You have this little stand that can maneuver around, and you even have some holes on the back for like anchor points, so you could get this attached to a wall, your ceiling, or just in higher places outdoors. So that is really cool. Not a ton of cord length, but in general you're gonna need a drop cord to get to the places that you need to use it typically, so that is totally fine. There's a little protective cover on the front. They look really great. The housing of the light is a die-cast aluminum, which makes it super durable, and it has a smart heat dissipation design, so the lights should definitely have long-lasting performance. All right, so I'm gonna get these set up outside and tell you a little bit more about them and show you how they look and give you a preview of their beautiful colors. So these are their 20-watt LEDs. They are their smallest size, but they do not lack in their ability to produce lots of light and beautiful colors. So you do have a wide range of color options, and there's even 8 adjustable brightnesses, so you can dim it down or make it a lot brighter. The remote is going to make changing through colors and settings such a breeze, and the lights do have a memory and timer function. So the remote will remember your last settings, and whenever you turn them off and back on, it will be at the same place. And you can set that timer for 3 hours, 6 hours, or even 12 hours. Here's auto. Auto just simply switches between jump, fade, and flash. So it's a mixture of all of those. So a really great like party setting. And then here's just standard flash. So you could do that on any of the color options. And then there is jump 3, and that will jump between 3 colors, so your RGB. And then there's jump 7, so that's 7 colors jumping between one another. And then there's fade 3, which is again your red, green, and blue fading. And you can control the speed of that. You can make it slow, or you can make it quick. And then there's fade 7. And that's on quick, but let's slow it down. These are waterproof and dustproof with an IP66 rating. So these are going to be perfect for outdoors, whether that is just lighting up your house on a regular evening or for special occasions, using them for a wedding or party or for holidays. All right, so here is the final result, and I am obsessed with it. I think that these lights are truly incredible. I know for a fact I am going to enjoy these, especially for holidays and parties, but even just for everyday use to add some curb appeal and lighting to my house. And they could very easily be moved and used in different places and in different ways. So if you guys were looking for some really wonderful floodlights, this is a great option. I would definitely give these a try.